Welcome back. Today is December 6th. It's roughly 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I do want to kick off this episode with a couple of disclaimers, which I'm going to keep extremely brief. The first one being, by no means am I offering any sort of financial advice. This is just talk. It's a podcast. It is what it is. I am not a financial advisor, and I'm not suggesting that you go spend real currency. The second one that I do want to touch on is that the coins that we discuss here, we're talking about a short window, a day or night trade, if you will, a 24-hour window where a position is entered and or exited. We're not talking about long holds here. You need to have a solid understanding of technical indicators or technical analysis as well as fundamentals. If you don't have an understanding of technical indicators or analysis and or fundamentals, go learn about them. There are tons of videos on YouTube that are phenomenal. Some of them are amazing. Some of them are terrible. Watch a bunch of them. Find the common themes. You'll find some that are amazing with little bits and pieces that don't work, and you'll find some that are terrible with little bits and pieces that do work. Combine it all. Find an aggregate. Roll with it when you feel very comfortable. If you're new to this, play the sidelines. Watch the charts. Yes, you're going to miss out on a lot of opportunities, but you're also going to miss out on a ton of potential losses. The last bit that I just want to touch on is if you are new to this and you're deciding to partake, or you're more and more showing an interest in joining the exchanges and trading currencies, set aside just a little bit of money that you have full intentions of losing entirely. Think of it as a fee for practicing. If you don't understand technical analysis or indicators or fundamentals, you will lose the money. That's a safer bet for me than any other coin, stock, currency, anything at all. I promise you, you will lose the money. Consider using a platform that's a simulation of the real trading environment. Or again, just sit on the sidelines and watch what happens. By no means should you take out a loan or take out a mortgage, a second mortgage on your house. It's insanity. I have heard of people doing this. People have asked me if they should do this. It's legit insanity. Don't do that. So let's get right into the coins. There's Einsteinium, not the scientific element. We're talking about the coin, Einsteinium. I believe it's ECM2. I entered this trade around 3:30 in the morning Eastern Standard Time, and I exited the trade around 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time same day. It was up about 106% today. It's a very interesting approach or model that they have going on. I would recommend, again, just watching Einsteinium. It has a lot of upside potential. And for the noobs, it also has a lot of downside potential. Again, we're going to discuss IOTA. I know that we talked about it just yesterday or the day before. It's another 24-hour window we're talking about here, but IOTA has a lot of upside and downside potential. We did discuss previously what IOTA does, but if you are unfamiliar, do your research on the company, check out their website, or follow them on social. You can learn a lot about what they do. It really is an interesting company with a lot of potential. But again, we're not talking long-term, we're talking short-term here. Finally, one of my personal favorites, which I got into quite some time ago now, is Stellar Lumens. I am a huge supporter of what they're going for. Their technology is phenomenal. I'm still a bit baffled that it's such an affordable coin. I do feel like it's extremely undervalued. They are certainly garnering a lot of attention from investors or from traders, but it's not too late to jump in. Check out Stellar. It's XLM do some research on the company again. They have a few big announcements coming up this month. It's another one to keep an eye on. So I just want to close this out by saying it's certainly been a wonderful day, and again, by no means am I offering any sort of financial advice here. I'll see you in a bit.